Welcome back, Motorheads. This is What the F Car Finds on Facebook Marketplace Fans Edition. First, got a 1970 Volkswagen for $1,800. This one here is sent to us by William Garland. Thanks a lot, William. Well, what in the brokeback dung beetle hell is going on here? $1,800? What in the absolute hell did you do to that poor Volkswagen? For dear Lord, this guy's cornbread's got to be soft in the damn middle. He gonna cut this poor little Volkswagen up. They're gonna ask $1,800 for it. Where the hell are you people coming up with these damn prices, man? You pulling them out of your ass like you're pulling these ideas out where you elect to try to build this crap? Next, got a 1998 Dodge for $14,500. This one here was sent to us by Kevin Coughlin. Thanks a lot, Kevin. I'm not what in the helmet wearing window liquor shit is this? This here is Exhibit A in the lawsuit filed by this man's tools. This here, boys and girls, is what you get when you use the glow-in-the-dark thunder beads as ice cubes. I like the way he tried to say, this is a Mad Max movie car. Ain't no damn Mad Max movie car. Keep dreaming there, Spanky. He wants $14,000. Ain't nobody gonna give your dumb ass $14,000 for this. Oh my God, man. Please just loosen the damn straps on your helmet. It's really starting to cause you even more problems. Next, got a 1991 Mazda for $37,500. This one here was sent to us by Anthony Holcomb. Thanks a lot, Anthony. $37,000. Are you out your damn mind there, Skippy? So they claim that they got $100,000 invested in this damn thing. Well, first off, you should have sought help when you thought about spending that kind of money on a goddamn Miata. I think I'm just going to give you the benefit of the doubt. Maybe your finger got stuck and you didn't really mean to type in $37,500. You meant to type in $3,750. Because if you really meant to type $37,500 and you absolutely have $100,000 invested in this, oh my God. I hope you learned something there, Spanky. Not to ever do that crap again, or possibly give somebody else full control over your damn finances, because you can't be trusted. If you're enjoying today's video, be sure and smash that like button. Even consider subscribing if you haven't. It really helps us out in the algorithm. Next, got a 2007 Honda for $3,400. This one here was sent in to us by Kimberly Gates. Thanks a lot, Kimberly. Oh, now what in the meth man and Robin hell is going on with this damn little Honda? For God's sakes. He gonna call it the mini Batmobile. I think you spent way too much time at the damn mini bar drinking them mini drinks. Some of you people just do not need to have any kind of damn tools or any damn access to tools whatsoever. Next, we got a 1980 Toyota Muffler car for $1,500. This one here was sent to us by Johnny 5. Thanks a lot, Johnny. Alright, my damn cheese done slid off my damn cracker today. Because you know what? If this damn thing wasn't so far away, I would go get this damn thing. I really don't know why, other than just to have a What the F. I really believe because we do these videos, we need to go buy one of these damn What the F's off-fan marketplace. That way we can take it to shows and put it up there as an example of what people should not do. However, this one here would not be a great example of what not to do. Because like I said, I think my cheese slid off my cracker because I kind of like it. Next, got a 2000 Ford for $8,000. This one here is sent to us by Tim Smith. Thanks a lot, Tim. Oh, for God's sakes. I said it once, I'll say it again. Stupidity is damn sure became a damn venereal disease. And this person right here is definitely suffering from said disease. Thinking that this damn thing is worth $8,000 damn dollars. I mean, what in the absolute hell was going on here? I really don't understand this craze that's going on here. That just because they think if they go and grab a bunch of parts and come and glue them together, weld them together, I'm thinking they're using glue, because I don't think they're smart enough to run a welder, because they wouldn't have shit that looked like this when they got done. And another strong case for the glue, because they got to be sniffing it to come up with these kind of ideas. But why in the hell do you think this cobbled up shit's worth that kind of money? It's not. Next, got a 1973 Chevrolet for $10,000. This one here is sent to us by Marvin Nelson. Thanks a lot, Marvin. For God's sake, this guy here is even more delusional than the last guy with a rat rod. This guy here wants $10,000 for this one. Now, I'm pretty sure your local pool of village idiots have told you how cool this thing is, and you're a mad genius for building it. You know, you need to start hanging out with a little bit smarter people so they can tell you not to do stupid shit like this, and then ask $10,000 damn dollars. Dude, you ain't getting no damn 10 grand out of this. Unless you get, that kind of money from the other village idiots that told you that was a good idea. But something tells me they probably don't have 10 grand to give you for that piece of shit. That's why you got it on Marketplace trying to get rid of it. Next got a 1960 Citroen for $800. This one here sent to us by Alan Jones. Thanks a lot, Alan. Oh dear Lord, somebody done discovered the Whitaker family summer bungalow. What in the absolute hell is this damn thing, man? He won $800 for it, marked down from $1,600. I can just guarantee by looking at the pictures, that damn thing here's got the damn aroma of a missing person inside of that damn thing. This mofo's stupid switch is stuck in the damn on position and somebody done broke off the damn lever so it can't be turned off. $800, you ain't getting no damn $800 out of that damn thing. Ain't nobody buying your damn crime scene, man. That's all you there, boo-boo. Next got a 1983 Dodge for $7,000. This one here sent to us by Morgan Basket. Thanks a lot there, Morgan. Oh, for God's sakes, Riri, you have lost your damn mind, thinking you're getting $7,000 damn dollars out of this. He says it's got a salvage title, we use it for parade use, and all the tires hold air, for God's sakes. That definitely made the value come up just a little bit more. $7,000. You wasn't getting $7,000 out of this thing if it didn't have a salvage title after you cut the damn roof off it there, Riri. Absolutely not, dum-dum. Next got a 1954 Pontiac for $12,000. This one here was sent to us by Keith Grisco. Thanks a lot, Keith. Oh, now this one here, this one hurts. This one pisses me the absolute F off right here. I've been searching high and low for a good 54 Pontiac, okay? But yet you find a moron out there that had two of them decide to ruin them and do this stupid shit right here. Every damn one of your tools need to be taken away. They need to be locked up where you can never ever reach them again, so you can never do this kind of fuckery to another vehicle again in your entire life. You need to be locked in a damn room, forced to watch Mary Poppins reruns at full blast, and also listening to Baby Shark 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all hours, full blast, till your freaking ears bleed. And I hope somebody takes a doo-doo in your jello. Remember, guys, to come across something you think us and the rest of the world need to see, send it over to MotorheadMisfitsYT@yahoo.com for your chance at a shout out on the channel. Well, that's all I got for you today. If you liked today's video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.